Hi everyone, welcome to the kids section of Bar English Academy. एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पर इंग्लिश सीखी नहीं जी जाती है. And again back with an interesting activity for our Barians, जिसका नाम है the debate session. Debate. Why does Bar English Academy organize debate session? मतलब what is the connection between English and debate? Let me tell you. कुछ सिंपल से रीजंस हैं. सबसे पहला है बच्चों के कॉन्फिडेंस को बूस्ट करने में ये एक्टिविटी बेस्ट है. रीजन क्योंकि जब बच्चा अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को अपने फ्रेंड्स के सामने प्लेस करता है तो वो उसको लेके बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट फील करता है. सेकेंड रीजन, बच्चा इस एक्टिविटी में लिसनिंग और थिंकिंग पावर को साथ में इंप्रूव करता है क्योंकि इस एक्टिविटी में बच्चा सिर्फ बोलता नहीं है, इवन अपने पार्टनर्स को सुनता भी है. तो उसके अंदर ये पेशेंस भी डेवलप होता है, इवन वो अपने पॉइंट्स को, अपने ओपिनियंस को अच्छे से फॉर्म भी कर पाता है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन, ये बच्चों के अंदर इंग्लिश का जो डर है उसको खत्म करने में बहुत हेल्प करता है क्योंकि जब बच्चों के थॉट्स क्लियर हो जाते हैं तो वो इस लैंग्वेज को लेके बहुत फैमिलियर हो जाते हैं और अपनी बातों को अच्छे से प्रेजेंट कर पाते हैं. सो ये कुछ रीजंस है क्यों बर इंग्लिश अकेडमी डिबेट सेशंस को ऑर्गेनाइज करवाती है. चलिए आज के टॉपिक पे फोकस करते हैं जिसका नेम है शुड होमवर्क बी गिवन टू द स्टूडेंट्स और नॉट. बच्चों को होमवर्क दिया जाना चाहिए या फिर नहीं. चलिए देखते हैं हमारे सुपर बरियंस इस पे कैसे परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं.
As per my point of view, homework should be given to the students.
But here our team is supporting that homework should not be given to the students because we don't believe in that the homework is a revision for the student. It is a stress. That's why.
Okay, as you said, but I want to mention something here that with the homeworks only, students are able to practice the things which are done in the school or in the class today or any day.
And in Bari, do you get homework? Just recording and done. See her.
Brother, recording is also a type of homework.
See her after school. If she take a holiday, she take 1 hour to write 1 page only.
So she might get this much homework only, and it's
just 5 pages.
But it's not about the fault of the homework. It's about the writing speed of any student or the mindset of the student, whether the student does that homework or not.
Learning speed also should be there now. If we just focus on writing, what we will do? It's not the point of learning or writing. It's the point of homework. So come on the point.
But as you are saying, it's the point of homework. But so you are going this side. As my team partner was supporting this, the homework takes a lot of time. But what about these homeworks? What we are not doing physically, we are doing it as regular. But sometimes the homework may convert in the stress. As the most of the people think.
Sorry for interrupting you.
Sorry, but let me complete my point. Because the homework takes a lot of hours, take lots of time. But if an individual wants to learn something, he can learn that in that time.
Sorry for interrupting you, brother. Brother, it's not a storytelling. Brother, it's not a storytelling.
And you always. I'm not telling a story, bro. Let me complete. If I am saying this, the people who are not getting the homework, those are getting more information. As even I don't do the homework of my school because I'm not getting that much. I complete my homework.
Okay, brother, as you are saying about learning is also a type of homework because if any teacher gives you learning homework, so you will do that. And second, why you just beating around the bush about writing speed, about learning speed? Just say new topics.
So learning speed. If we want to increase your writing speed and learning speed, what will you write if you don't know any question? A question came and you do not learn it. So what will you write? Just blank? No, that's only the homework. That's only means that's why the homework is given now for revision. That means if the student is not studying in the class, so he must have to complete the homework in his home. Why?
Because of that.
Let me complete
because
my
of
point.
that
Let
only
me
I am
complete
saying
my
this.
point.
Because of that only the people who are those are doing the homework are just completing their homework, are not learning anything.
So, जैसा कि आप सबने देखा हमारे बरियंस ने कितनी कमाल की परफॉर्मेंसेस दी जिसमें वो बच्चे सिर्फ कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं थे, इवन इंग्लिश में अपने थॉट्स को क्लियरली प्रेजेंट भी कर पा रहे थे क्योंकि बर इंग्लिश अकेडमी का सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, हम सिर्फ इंग्लिश पे नहीं उनके एटीट्यूड, कॉन्फिडेंस पर भी काम करते हैं. सो अगर आप भी चाहते हैं आपका बच्चा इतना ही कॉन्फिडेंट हो और साथ ही साथ अपनी इन सारी क्वालिटीज़ पे वो काम करे, देन ज्वाइन बर इंग्लिश अकेडमी एंड फॉर कॉन्टैक्ट you can check our description. साथ ही साथ ऐसी और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के लिए join and don't forget to subscribe and follow Bar English Academy.